Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to activate the feature of hiding followers on Instagram. The new update is a very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, thank you to everyone who follows me, and thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel, and thank you very much from the heart for your sincere support. Now let's go to the hair. The first step we do is go to our Instagram account, then click on our profile icon. After that, we click on the three small lines above here, then we click on the account privacy here. In the old way, if you want to activate hiding followers, you only activate the account mode to private and the followers will be hidden. But if you want to leave your account public and at the same time hide the followers, follow me this month. The matter is easy now. You leave the account privacy to public, then exit, then go down and click on Help. After that, you click on Report a Problem, then here you will find Report a Problem without shaking the phone. Click on it. After that, you click on Embed and Follow Up, and here in this box you copy and paste the message that I will leave you in the video description. You paste this message here, then you click on Send. And in 48 hours, God willing, you will find that the problem has been solved, and the feature of hiding followers has been successfully activated. For inquiries, any problems, suggestions or advice, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video.